Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm introduce myself. My name is Muhammad AlFatah. I'm from class 2 of mechanical design. Here I will make a video with the theme of observation about trees. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh my god. Hey bro, you. What are you doing? The tree is broken, bro. I'm going to the store to buy a new one. Okay, bro. Excuse me. Hello, welcome to our shop. Can anyone help? Do you sell size 17 balls here? Yes. What type of treat do you want? What? I just found out that there are many types of treats. I recommend that you learn about treat type first. Oh, I see. Thanks for the input. Bye. Because I didn't know what type of treat I was going to buy, so I decided to study treat from internet sites. I came to know that treat are not only found in bowls. Trees are also found in objects or tools that we usually encounter in everyday life. Wow, I just found a treat on this bottle. Let's find out what kind of treat it is.
A few moments later.
You see, the characteristics are the same as in this picture. So, it concluded that this treat is of the south triangular type. But the question is, does every bottle have the same type of treat? I don't know. So, let's look for a bottle around here to find out the answer. Let's go. I have found 4 bottles with different treat. The first bottle has triangular south treat. The second bottle has triangular treat. The third bottle has a rectangular treat. And fourth bottle use a round treat. I haven't found one more treat, namely trapezoid type. Yo, what are you doing, bro? You don't know I'm making a video?
Sorry, I don't know.
Go away. Wait. Can you lend me that broom handle?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Go away.
Okay.
I found treat. It's here. This is trapezoid type. I was very happy tonight because I found all the type of treat that I studied. Maybe I will end this video. If I have said something wrong, I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.